So we're gonna add the second line to this Boat Blackjack. So what I did was I moved over the receiver box out the way because there's an actual spot. It's an actual spot for it, if you could see. Spot is, there's an actual spot right there for the hose. So we're gonna drill that out. We landed it right in the hole. So it's exactly 1/2 inch away from the existing hole. So you just want to go 1/2 inch over. And it's perfect fit. So I fed it from the inside, and you just want to cut it at a, won't focus. You just want to cut it on that angle so you can pull it through. Once you pull it through, you cut it even and just add it to the rudder. So the new one is the one on the left if you're looking from inside. And you guys see how I ran it behind the existing hose. And then under this way. And then back under right here. And then it'll come right there, and I'll cut it right here. So I didn't cut it until I ran it all the way through and to see where it's gonna be at. So for the hole in the rear here, the second hole, I started with the 5/32 for the pilot, and then I drilled out the hole with the 7/32. So that's a 7/32 for the final cut, and a 5/32 for my pilot hole. And it's exactly 1/2 inch to the right from the outside of the original hole. And then, so we ran the hose behind it, behind the factory hose that's mounted in there. Then we wrapped it around there and brought it back around to there. And with the leftover hose, we ran it straight from the ESC back around there, under there, in front of the receiver box, and out through the antenna hole. And now we just got the antenna chilling right there. I just plugged the hole with the antenna straw. A shout out to Big B, Ironclad RC. He pretty much gave you that idea right here. So the hose I used was the original Blackjack 42-inch cooling line. It comes in one piece, and you just cut it to size. And it was enough to get both pieces in there. And the original motor out is still there. Might open it up how we did here, you know, that Big B Ironclad style. But for now, that'll work. And then I'm using these Red Cat Lowrider weight ballast. These are the ones that go under the battery. And these are the ones that go in the little gas tank under the car. Those weigh 85 grams each. These weigh 95, close to 96 grams each. And what I do is I put one of the battery size ones under each battery. I'll put one right there, and then I'll put the other one right there in the forward location. But I'm thinking of adding one of these smaller ones right in the center there, up in the front. Because I know you can buy those trim tabs for this, but I don't want to do that. I want to try to stick to it just as is. I'm not trying to break world records or nothing like that. We're just having fun with this, making sure it doesn't flip over. That's it. It's a fun boat. All right, hope this helps somebody. Same way Big B helped me when I was studying these boats, Ironclad RC, and a few of the others out there. All right, thanks guys.